Ready? Start. Applying the ratio of the aforesaid decisions and as again reiterated in the judgment of Brijendra Bahadur Singh within bracket Supra, we are clearly of the opinion that on the facts of the present case, the district magistrate had clearly received the notice of the intention to move inward, start no confidence motion inverted comma close signed by the requisite numbers of members on 27/3/2017 for which preparations were made in accordance with the procedure prescribed. Stop. We have also examined the contents of the notice signed and delivered by the members which also recites the intention to move in order comma start no confidence motion in order comma close stop. Thus, the notice is complete and composite in nature and also bears the signatures of the members as per the requirement of law. Stop. The date of delivery of the notice can be clearly gathered as 27/3/2017 from the letter of the district magistrate dated 28/3/2017 extracted here in above. Stop. Para. The absence of the date on the notice signed by the members therefore does not in any way establish a doubt about the date of the notice as urged by the learned counsel for the petitioners. Stop. To the contrary, there is clinching material on record to indicate that the notices duly signed by the members containing the recital of the intention to move the motion had been delivered to the district magistrate on 27/3/2017, whereafter he also inquired into the allegations of the petitioner on 28/3/2017 itself and then dispatched the notices on 30/3/2017. Stop. The district magistrate has also looked into the objections raised by the petitioner on 28/3/2017. Stop. The objections were clearly with regard to the notice of the intention of in order comma start no confidence motion in order comma close that had been received by the district magistrate on 27/3/2017 extracted here in above as disclosed in the letter dated 28/3/2017 dispatched to the learned district judge. Stop. The contention on behalf of the petitioner is that on one hand the notice which was delivered contained single signatures, whereas the same notice is stated to contain two signatures of the members who have allegedly signed it. Stop. In this regard, the contention of the learned additional chief standing counsel is clearly to the effect that when the members had appeared before the authority, they were made to countersign once again to ensure that they had in fact moved the motion. Stop. The existence of double signatures therefore does not in any way improve the case of the petitioner. Stop. The increase of two of the signatures as at serial numbers 34 and 35 also does not in any way vitiate the process, in as much as if two more members had moved to put their signatures on the said notice and were in existence when the district magistrate is satisfied himself about the correctness of the same, then no doubt can be expressed about their intention, more so when none of the members who have signed the notice have come forward before this court to contest the moving of the motion or holding of the meeting on 15/4/2017 and the decision as relied on by the petitioner in the case of Kamla Devi within bracket Supra therefore would not at all be attracted. Stop.